In today's video, I'm doing an airbrushed painting. I'm using black for my background instead of white this time, and then I'm going to be blowing out white and silver on top of the black. I've thinned my paints down with Vallejo pouring medium and some airbrush medium, so with those two mediums, they're thin enough that I don't need to use any water in this mix. And then my silver is the Silver Mayron makeup that is a powder. I'm just pouring the black down, and I'm using a sponge brush to smooth the paint out and make sure that I have a good base coat. And I'm just starting to pour small amounts of my white and a little bit more of the black down so that the white moves smoothly across the canvas. I ended up using some silver at the same time instead of adding that at the end. And I have my airbrush set at about 40 psi. That works well for me. You can change the psi to whatever works well for you. If that's still too strong of an airflow, you can turn it down, or you can turn it all the way up to 100. And I'm just continuing my process of putting some black paint down to help the white move a little bit better, and then slowly adding more white paint in other areas that I want to blow out. I wanted a little bit more control over where some of the silver and the white was going, so I just started blowing on it instead of using the airbrush, and it worked really well. And I wanted to be able to work on this other corner, so I just flipped my painting around, and I'm continuing to add a little bit of silver and white in some areas that I want to add more to.